Hello and welcome. In this part of the podcast, we talk about work and different jobs. Work is an important part of life. Many people have a job. A job is something you do to earn money. People work in many places, for example in offices, shops, schools, hospitals, restaurants, and factories. There are many different types of jobs. Some people work with customers, and some people work with information or machines. For example, a teacher works at a school and helps students learn. A doctor works in a hospital and helps sick people. A shop assistant works in a shop and helps customers find products. In an office, people usually work with computers. They write emails, make plans, and organize information. Office work is often quiet and indoor work. Some jobs are physical. This means people use their body a lot. For example, builders work outside and build houses. Delivery workers bring packages to people. These jobs can be active and sometimes difficult. Work usually has a schedule. A schedule shows when people start and finish work. For example, many people work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. This is called a full-time job. Some people work fewer hours. This is called part-time work. At work, people often work in teams. A team is a group of people who work together. Teamwork is important because it helps people finish tasks faster and better. A workday usually starts when a person arrives at their workplace. Many people start work in the morning. Before starting tasks, they may prepare their desk or tools. For example, in an office, a person turns on a computer and checks emails. Emails are messages sent and received at work. People use emails to communicate with colleagues, clients, or managers. It is important to read emails carefully because they often contain instructions or important information. After checking emails, people start their tasks. Tasks are the jobs or duties they need to do during the day. For example, a teacher prepares lessons, a shop assistant organizes products, and an office worker writes reports or answers messages. During the workday, people usually have breaks. A break is a short time to rest. Many people have a coffee break or lunch break. Lunch break is usually longer, for example 30 minutes or 1 hour. During breaks, people eat, relax, or talk with colleagues. Colleagues are people who work together in the same place. Good relationships with colleagues are important because teamwork makes work easier and more pleasant. Some jobs include meetings. A meeting is when people sit together and talk about work. In meetings, people share ideas, make decisions, or plan tasks. Meetings can be short or long depending on the topic. At the end of the day, people finish their tasks and leave work. Some people also plan the next day before leaving. This helps them stay organized. Communication at work means how people talk, write, and share information during their job. Good communication is very important because it helps avoid mistakes and misunderstandings. People at work often speak in a polite and clear way. They use simple sentences to make sure everyone understands. For example, instead of long explanations, they say short and direct messages. At work, people often ask questions. Questions help to get information or solve problems. For example, what time is the meeting? Where is the report? Can you help me with this task? People also give instructions. Instructions are directions about what to do. For example, a manager may say, "Please finish this report today or send this email before 3 p.m." Written communication is also very important. Many people write emails, notes, or messages. Emails usually have a subject, greeting, message, and closing. A simple email is enough in most work situations. Another important part of communication is listening. Listening means paying attention when someone speaks. Good listening helps people understand tasks correctly and avoid mistakes. At work, problems can sometimes happen. If there is a problem, people should talk about it calmly. It is better to explain the situation and find a solution together. Politeness is very important in all work communication. Words like please, thank you, and sorry make communication more friendly and professional. Good work habits are important for every job. A habit is something you do regularly. For example, arriving on time is a good habit. It shows respect for your job and your colleagues. Being late can cause problems for the whole team. Another important habit is being organized. Organized people plan their tasks and keep their workspace clean. For example, they may make a to-do list. A to-do list is a list of tasks that need to be done during the day. At work, people often need to solve problems. A problem can be something small or big. For example, a computer may not work, or a customer may be unhappy. In these situations, it is important to stay calm and think of solutions. Learning is also part of work. Many people learn new skills while working. A skill is something you can do well. For example, using a computer, speaking English, or working with customers are skills. Learning new skills helps people do their job better and get better opportunities. Work can sometimes be stressful. Stress means feeling pressure or worry. To reduce stress, people can take breaks, plan their time, and ask for help when needed. A successful worker is someone who is responsible, polite, and willing to learn. Responsibility means doing your tasks carefully and on time. Finally, work is not only about tasks and rules. It is also about people, teamwork, and communication. When people work well together, the job becomes easier and more enjoyable. Different jobs have different workplaces. A workplace is the place where you work. For example, an office worker works in an office, a chef works in a kitchen, a nurse works in a hospital, and a builder works outside on construction sites. Each workplace is different, but all of them have rules. Workplace rules are important. Rules help people stay safe and do their job correctly. For example, some workplaces require uniforms. A uniform is special clothing that shows your job. Nurses, police officers, and shop workers often wear uniforms. Safety at work is very important. Safety means protecting people from danger. In some jobs, people must wear safety equipment. For example, builders may wear helmets, gloves, and special boots. These protect them from accidents. In offices, safety rules are simpler, but still important. For example, People should not use broken equipment and should keep their working area clean to avoid accidents. Time management is also important at work. Time management means using your time well. People should finish tasks on time and not waste time. This helps work be more efficient. Respect is another important rule. People should respect their colleagues, managers, and customers. Respect means being polite and treating others well, even in difficult situations. Finally, every job is different, but good habits are always the same. Be on time, work carefully, follow rules, and communicate clearly.
Write one English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.